Hey folks, Kenny Brown here, MarineMax Panama City Beach. I am here unveiling the brand new NauticStar 249 XTS. This is their premier bay boat, but with a lot of features that is capable of doing a lot more than just fishing in the bay. As we walk back to the boat here, I want to point out something to you for those that are not familiar with this right here. This is what they call an air assist chime. So you ask yourself, what is that? When you get in this choppy water and the water gets a little sporty out there, this helps provide a much smoother ride. It gets up on top of the waves. So therefore a much smoother ride. As we come here to the back of the boat, I want to show you what this boat is equipped with on the motor. This has the big muscle Yamaha 250 VMAX SHO motor. So what is the difference between this motor and the regular Yamaha 250? This motor is geared different, therefore giving you more thrust, more torque. And let me tell you, this boat equipped with this size of a motor is sure to get you out to your destination as fast as you want to go. I also do want to point this out. Notice it does have a boarding ladder. Now this is important because for those of you that like bay boats, you'll notice that most bay boats don't even come with a boarding ladder. So that's important. So if you want to take this to island, the sandbar, you can get on and off the boat, okay? Easy. So let's hop aboard. Let me show you a few more things. Okay everyone, here we are aboard NauticStar's premier 249 XTS. As you can see, I'm standing here on this huge casting platform with tons of room if you're up here fishing in the bay. Got plenty of storage here. You can see you got storage here. There's your washdown hose that's actually located right there in the corner. As we step down here, I want to point out this enormous live well, folks. You'll notice it has a light down in here, has seating, starboard and port here, storage over here as well, okay? As we continue up to here to the helm, also I want to point out all of the rod holders here on the leaning post as well up above us and as well as in the gunnel, so you have plenty of room for your rods and reels. Got a nice big cooler here. This leaning post is super comfortable. Place to put your feet here, nice and relaxed. Tilt wheel. Comes equipped with a 9-inch Simrad GPS chart plotter and bottom machine. You have your gauges, infinity stereo, Bluetooth compatible, is equipped with trim tabs. Notice your courtesy lights up here, your electronics box. Awesome Jbl speakers throughout the boat. Great sound system. As we move forward up here in the boat, you notice this nice front cushion seat. So when you're out riding in or you're riding back, they've got an armrest. So you can put one person here, or you can fit two people here if need be. But also, this front seat dubs as an additional live well, folks. So now you have two. You have one in the back, one up here in the front, lit of course. Plenty of storage throughout the boat. You can store rods in here, and also keep in mind these are lined and insulated, so you can use these also as fish boxes, okay? And that's what this is primarily for. Fish box here, okay? Another storage compartment here. Of course, here on the starboard side, more compartments. This boat comes equipped with a nice pedestal fishing seat. Now there's a mount here for this seat, but also in that casting platform in the back, there's two more mounts, so you can take this and set it in the back if you like, okay? Anchor storage. But notice this casting platform up here if you're in the bay fishing. You just got plenty of room to walk all the way around. But folks, this is, like I said, their premier boat. Large boat, almost 25 foot long, big motor. You could do so many things with this boat, okay? So come see me. I'm Kenny Brown here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. You can reach me at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.